Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a subpage on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, you might want to click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And creating your account here is a breeze because you can continue with your Google account, your business or work email, or you can click on the more options. You can sign in or log in using your Apple account, your Facebook, and just follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, you are all set. Now, creating a subpage here on Squarespace is very easy. It's also known as nested page or a page under another page, and it's a very straightforward process. The first thing you need to do once you log in is you need to access the pages panel, and then from there just go to the home menu, click on the pages to access the pages panel. Right now, as you can see on the left side panel, this is going to be one of my home page right here, the custom blocks and more information about the page that I am creating right now. And as you can see, there's an option for me to click on this one, the plus button. If you want to add a new page to this group, just click on it and you can start with a blank page, right? Page layouts. You can also create a blog section. But for now, let's create a blank page right here. Now, this new page, all right, you can create a beautiful page by adding and combining sections. Now, by that, we need to go to the edit section. And from here, you can customize all the information that you can. Say, for example, you can select this section right here. Add your brand. It's all highly customizable. You can edit the section right here. You can have a gap, a full screen if you wanted, plus the height, alignment, a lot more, and the background as well. You can add an image that you wanted. You can even add a video to make it more dynamic to your visitors of your website. You can also change the color. Say, for example, the one is in the right, bright 2, and a lot more. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on save. And basically, that's how you make a subpage here on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.